Today, we're taking a closer look at the HS2 developments along the Welsh Road, or the B4455, an area that has become a focal point for the high-speed rail project. What's particularly fascinating here is the complexity of the engineering involved. The B455 has been carefully rerouted to accommodate the new rail infrastructure, and the precision required in building around the existing road network is a feat of modern engineering. A key piece of equipment on this site is a white rail-mounted gantry crane, or RMG. This is used to aid the lifting of equipment and materials into place, streamlining the construction of the viaducts and embankments. Its massive arms effortlessly handle the heavy loads, minimizing the need for additional road transport and speeding up the process. The RMG is a critical element in ensuring that large structures can be assembled safely and efficiently on site. Beyond the machinery, the land management has been an aspect of the project and is just as impressive. The entire landscape has been carved up and redesigned to accommodate the rail line. Hills have been levelled, new embankments built, and the natural contours of the land reshaped to allow the smooth integration of the railway. Farmland has been sectioned off, with new drainage systems and access routes designed to maintain the local agriculture economy. While the precision and the scope of this earth-moving is remarkable, it has permanently changed the landscape, leaving some residents feeling disconnected from the area they once knew. The viaducts and embankments in this section have been meticulously designed, ensuring that both the rail line and the surrounding environment are integrated as seamlessly as possible. One notable feature is the attention to the flood management, with drainage systems built into the design to protect both the rail infrastructure and the surrounding farmlands. However, the impact on the local area has been significant. Residents and businesses have experienced increased traffic along the detours as construction continues. For those living nearby, the noise from heavy machinery has been a constant issue, and the rural landscape has undeniably been altered, with large structures now interrupting the once open views. The footings and foundations for the bridge columns at the HS2 Welsh Road developments are critical for ensuring the long-term stability of the bridge and the heavy loads it will support. The foundations are designed to handle specific compressive forces, as well as the lateral force created by wind, trains, and other external impacts. Typically, these foundations consist of deep reinforced concrete piles driven into the ground to protect a stable base. In areas where the ground conditions are softer or less stable, more extensive piling may be used to reach load-bearing strata further below the surface. Piles can be bored or driven depending on the specific engineering requirements and environmental considerations of the site. Once the piles are in place, a reinforced concrete footing is constructed on top, connecting the piles to the bridge columns. This ensures the load is evenly distributed across all the piles, maximizing stability and minimizing the risk of settlement or structural failure over time. In addition, the construction of these footings requires precise surveying and land preparation. Before the foundations are laid, engineers often use geotechnical analysis to assess soil conditions, groundwater level, and the overall suitability of the location. This information guides decisions about the size, depth, and type of footings required to ensure the structure remains safe and durable for decades. The materials used in the footings include high-strength concrete and reinforced steel. They are chosen to resist environmental factors such as erosion, water damage, and temperature changes. The concrete bridge built at the site serves a vital infrastructure element for the HS2 project. This bridge facilitates construction traffic and will eventually support the main HS2 rail line. It was designed with durability in mind to handle heavy loads and withstand environmental changes. The construction of this bridge required careful planning to minimize its environmental footprint and to maintain access to the surrounding areas during ongoing works. While the engineering is impressive, the local community faces a challenging adjustment. While the economic benefits of the HS2 will outweigh the disruption remains to be seen. But for now, the Welsh Road developments represent both progress and sacrifice. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the unfolding developments of the HS2 across the region. Please like and subscribe for more.